How to install Bluetooth drivers in Windows 11. So in this video tutorial I'm going to do perfect process. I'm going to show the perfect process. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. Come to the Google and search for Intel Bluetooth driver, and here you can see the official website. Just open it. Okay, now we need to download it. Here the Windows 11, Windows 10 64 bytes. Okay, this is latest version. Okay, okay, so let me go in back, and here if I go there in this link, okay, you need to go in this link article. Okay, and here you need to select your device, Windows 10 and 11. Okay, and here the 10 and 11. So this is the latest version. Just click on it. Now here it will be take on this page. Now this was 64 bytes. Okay, if I go back, Intel latest 60 Windows. Okay, now you can download, accept the terms. Now it will be start downloading here. Now you need to just click on it. It will be start installing. Install and next, agree, next. Here type typical and install it. Once it install, you need to restart your PC. Okay, so that is how you can install the Bluetooth drivers for your Windows 11 or 10. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.